it took us 2 months to reach the target, what I posted with detailed explanation, not just randomly, oh, I think we go higher, no. It was a detailed explanation why, with the geopolitics stuff, explaining why we will go to the CMA gap over than 80K. So only today we reach it, that target. And so like you can see, kind of interesting out there, my indicator, smart money concept zones. Highly recommend you go to find the link to this indicator, add to your favorites, and use how it showed the gap on CMA, right? So this is how it looks like on regular charts, or that one, smart money concept zones. This one, we not close the gap on weekly time frame, 50%. So I think we will not stop here. I think we'll go a little bit over 83, 365, and like you can see, we out of this hypothetical channel. It was also just a theoretical channel, because I'm not a fan of the channels, so we can redraw the channels in totally different ways, and count the starting point. But on the daily, yes, the gap close. This one was market before. Above, we got on the CMA this gap and this gap. Under is bullish gaps like support, so I'll not surprised if we go and climb it even higher, because I mark the date, this one vertical line. I hope you not skip it, guys, the video, so CMA we can close, because everything explained in details, not just randomly. And I showed you all data with my custom indicator set. So what I realized, indicators don't have any motion. They don't read the news, they just show you the data. Of course, we can't trust only the algorithmic data, because we can't, indicators can't know and can't predict what the Trump gonna say next, right? But it's cut all noise, all emotion, right, and showed you the pure data. So the price definitely can go even to, next step is 83, 365. We can delete this block. On the daily time frame, we broke the structure yesterday. So here's a downtrend. We drop, consolidate here, break the structure on the daily, so you can find the old boss. With this indicator, you can, in settings, add the order blocks, liquidity pools, and track it also. This is the next step of this local FIB, right? So before the summer, I think we can reach, before the, first of all, CCP meeting with the Trump, this day market, it's maybe will be 14 May or 15 May. Still not confirmed, I guess. So the next step is here, 84, 748, and even the full field, 88, 766. I'm going to add alerts to 50% favorable gap touch, bullish favorable gap, not bearish favorable gap, 50% touch. I would like to see the notification on the daily time frame. So highly recommend you just use it, and don't waste the time. Just sit in front of a monitor, and wait some miracle. So just wait the notification and live your life. All right. So after that, guys, what I expected, the most extra positive signal, if we're going to break the structure here, and this is the most extra positive scenario over than 100K. Imagine the area. I will be not surprised, guys, if that market makers, the venture funds, the centralized exchanges, that's crypto cartel, right, with the price even over than 100K in most positive scenario to wreck the people this summer. And after that, I think we can drop again, or to 59, or hold somewhere here. Summer, I'm still waiting the correction. If, for example, we will go to this gap now, we can drop even to 52,900, 49,500. So the zones, guys, absolutely relevant. And the new all-time high is also more than possible to see even this year. But probably in the next one. Next one, spring. All-time high still in play around 139K. Maybe the 159. I don't know the range, because everything what is about over than 126 is just open space. But my target is 139 at least. And I still don't believe in 250 like many other people share the charts. 300K and even higher. So this is a local zones. We can close this one. Let's double check with ADZ direction. It's on the futures, guys. So maybe on the spot, you can find a total different targets. That's why I analyze now only for today on the futures. And I'm still not open the short position. Too early for me. No setup. I think, yes, we can go to test this block again on ADZ. And only after that, depends of where we will be that time for my divergency. Maybe we'll take a look at the local short position. The direction, still no signal to sell. Let's add alerts also to bearish signal. Track it and get notification. Markets, more money power. This is a free, so guys, sooner or later, I really think really soon, we will see the correction. This is a money outflow. So the whales, like you can see, who bought it here, they start, take the profit. Now it's more than okay. That's why I repeat again, I'll not surprise if before the meeting of CZP, we'll see some extra positive on the markets. And after that, they bring some, not like a black swan. I don't know what's next. The black swan should impress us, right? We saw everything now in the world. So, well, time frame, it's also a free, so this is not a time to open long, right? Because you can lose the money. But of course, it's just my personal thoughts. Of course, we can go even over than 100K, but for me personally, there's no setup for the long for now. For short, I still also do not see the setup. Money power I showed you. Trade on, guys, a local one. Here was the last signal to sell. Now, so on 12 time frame, we got to like buy, take profit, sell, correction. I need to see the same sell signal on the daily. Oh, I guess alert added. Strong sell signal, yes, 2 alerts I added already on the daily time frames. This is just a recommendation to close position. That's why, guys, no rush with the short position, and just wait the confirmation, wait the setup for the sell. So to break the structure, we need to pump 22%. It's more than possible. It's more than possible, right? Before the summer. And what will be in summer with altcoins is hard to say. But I think that tokens which already pump it on alts, right? Like a lab. Today I posted the video about a lab coin. It's pumped 5,300% gains. Of course, this summer it's going to deeper correction. And the last indicator is take profit, guys. Buy line dynamic, and like you can see, start curve up. So the buy line here and the take profit line now it's 94,347. That's why, guys, I repeat again, we can see some. It's hard to say by timing. It's not exactly happening the 15 May. No, but most likely we can go form something like this one, and after that, drop to the buy line again. Buy line till that time can be at 52,936. So this is my take. Wrap us in a comment what you think about a BTC. If you'd like to trade as my customer was showed in this video, use right medium. Don't forget, Joe Matecom channel. See you next time, guys.